Hey guys, Rafael here from Avant Auto Sales. Remember, bring your W-2, file your taxes with Avant. We are in this tax season coming up and we have a lot of cars for you. Now today, it's a fun one. This is a 2003 Toyota Matrix. Now, this car we've sold twice and it finds its way back to the lot. Last two customers, they haven't been the greatest ones, and we refuse to let this car go to the auction. So we fixed everything that needed to be fixed on this thing. We did the entire front end. We did ball joints, chocks, control arms, and everything that it needed in the front. We fixed an oil leak in the motor. We serviced the transmission. Look, it's not the prettiest one. It's a 2003. It has 177,000 miles, but it's a good car. Look at the wheels. It's a Matrix XR. It's a 1.8 liter engine. It's fairly clean in the inside. We cleaned it up as best as we could. Take a look here. We did everything that we needed to do to this car, and now it's ready again. Starts right up every time. Transmission is good. Everything seems to be in good order. It has new front end, as I told you. Transmission was serviced. It has 177. I don't know if you can see that. 177,000 miles on the clock. Radio works. AC is cold. Transmission is this. It's put in reverse so you can see. Engages right away. And let's put it in drive and go around the lot. Engages right away. Everything is in good order. We spent a lot of time fixing the thing. We did an alignment. Everything that this little car needed, we did. We need this car to be yours and to find a good home, somebody that will actually will take care of it, because we believe it's a nice car. We refuse to not find a good home for it. Look, here's the key. Starts right up every time. No issues that we could find anymore. We fixed everything that the other customer neglected, and it's ready for you to go. So come get it. Bring us $750 and you take it home, plus tax, of course. And if you do, remember that you can always build your credit with Avant. Thank you. Come get it now. 2003 Toyota Matrix, available now.
Listen to my daddy. He knows what he's talking about.
See, she knows.